This magic moment, so different and so new, was until I kissed you. Everything I want to have. This magic moment. This magic moment can be right now. Magic moments, do you recognize them, and how? Do you create them? Are they needed for the soul? I think so. I say yes. They make me feel whole. I find them every day, by choice or by chance. A sudden flash of beauty, a momentary dance. Like a bird with pink feathers just standing still, flaunting bright eyes and a spoon-shaped bill. Wait, what the? Is this real? But then it hits me, and my mind is blown by this whimsical world I'd forgotten I'd known. A universe dancing in vibrant displays that I take for granted on ordinary days. The pink bird, the magic, the mysterious grand, mirror the pieces created by hand, channeled for hours through a subconscious stream, shifting reality into a dream. Whatever comes to mind. I'm going to start with the little bird. All right. So I recently got a little bird feeder in my yard, and I am really enjoying watching all the different birds that come out there. It's quite a show. The thing that bothers me is they are afraid of me. Every time I go out there, they run away. Or not run away, they fly away. And I believe it's because I used to have a dog that liked to chase the birds and even caught them on several occasions. And I think it's like imprinted in these birds, like their DNA through their bird line, like of previous birds that lived in the same area. Because you know, birds migrate to the same places, and I don't know, like maybe they communicate some way that we don't understand. And they say to each other, if you see this woman, it's dangerous because a dog's nearby. And I don't know if this is true. I should probably write a children's book about this stuff, because I'm like giving all these animals these human thoughts. So all the things that I paint are just based on my imagination, 100%. Like I don't look at anything for reference. I could, but I don't know. I don't want to be held back by anything. I just want to be free. And it makes me think of this story that I have about an encounter with an angel. I'm not going to tell like the whole story. None of your business. Anyway, I may have told it before to you. I had an encounter with an angel, and I was really trying to like focus on what the angel looked like. And the more I focused, the more what I was looking at changed into what I was trying to perceive. Like if I saw a deer, it would morph into a deer. If I saw a beautiful woman, it would morph into a beautiful woman. If I saw a big bundle of glowing gold feathers spiraling in flames, like it would turn into anything. I tried to label it, and I realized, like, don't label it, just let it be what it is. You know, it doesn't matter. That's not why you're seeing it. You know, it's something deeper. If you just try to label it, this moment won't get anywhere because you're too stuck in like what you're seeing, like trying to understand it. And so when I just like relaxed to it and just like relaxed my gaze, I was able to receive the message. And so that's what I try to do when I'm painting too, is just relax and try to receive the message, whatever is trying to come forth in my creation. So, isn't that fun? My whole philosophy is just to have fun. I'm not here to create a masterpiece. I'm here to enjoy this time. And I already put some acrylic paint in a little cup. And I'm just gonna do that with some more colors that I've been using, like this violet. And these are really cheap paints that I got at Five Below. And just like the art that my fingers display, the morning sun starts its beautiful takeover of the day. No longer sleepy, no longer blind. Each of these moments a magical find. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. What can make me feel this way, my girl? Look at that beak. I mean, this is real. Softer than the summer night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Be well.